Are you gonna take the CD out? Are you gonna take the CD out? Okay, give it to Daddy. Not for tasting. Give it to Daddy. Not for tasting. Here, give it here. Give it here.
You gonna close that door, huh?
Not for tasting. Let's put it back in there. Thank you. Watch out. Watch your fingies. No, not for tasting. You don't like that CD? You don't like that CD? Not for tasting. Let me get my hand out. Not for tasting. I see you over there. You gonna come over here and see me now? You gonna come over here and see me now? Are you gonna dance to the music?
It's story time. Turn the
Madeline. Madeline. Oh, you cheater. You cheater. Don't go turn the volume up. Don't turn the volume up. Don't. That's loud enough, Madeline. Don't turn the volume up. Madeline. Don't turn the volume up. Don't turn the volume up, Madeline. "15 is loud enough."